So you're telling me that you would rather do this than this? Come on, man. This is a high-power portable chainsaw that can cut through wood in just a few seconds. Look at that brushless motor. The power is insane. Whether it's thick logs or thin branches, it slices through everything with ease. Each cut is smooth as butter, no more struggling like with a manual saw. That's right, buddy. If you love DIY, you don't want to miss this one. This is truly a game-changing tool. You'll also get two 21-volt batteries, a fast charger, and all the accessories neatly packed in a sturdy case. Take advantage of the Black Friday deal and grab your new favorite tool now. I've dropped the link below.